How to add a WhatsApp chat to Wix. In order to add a WhatsApp chat to Wix, you need to head over right here to Elf site. Sign up for the Elf site account, and then from in there, just head over to catalog, click on the search widgets, and search in here for WhatsApp. You can see in here this WhatsApp chat. Head over and click on that. Now in here, you can choose a template of how your WhatsApp chat is gonna look like in their site. We have general, message field. We also have in here this part as well as some light themes. For example, for this, I'll choose in here this part, which is the light theme. Click on this continue with this template and input right here your WhatsApp number or link in order to link that into your actual website. Once you have done that, click onto this publish option. And then from in here, just choose in here a plan that you want to use. I'll choose your free plan. Now from in there, they should be able to give you the code. So copy this code, head back to your Wix Studio and click on this plus icon. Now from in there, head over to quick add, scroll down, and then we have in here the iframe. Just drag and drop it right around here. Once you have done that, click onto the center code, input right here the code that we have copied and click on update. And then from in there, they should be able to show up right here our WhatsApp chat. So that's how you add a WhatsApp chat to Wix. Hope we helped.